How to blur a face in CapCut. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into the video. Open your CapCut and select a video. Now once you have successfully added your video in your CapCut, select the option of Effect, then go to Video Effect. Tap on Opening and Closing and select any blur that you prefer. You can also search for blur in the search bar given to you. Tap on Adjust to increase the blur strength. Tap on Done. Now adjust the endpoint of the blur effect. Next step, tap on the video, then tap on Duplicate. Select the duplicate video. Now at the bottom, you have to go ahead and search for the option of Overlay. Tap on Overlay. Overlay the duplicate video right on top of the original one. Then select the duplicate video. Then from the bottom, search for the option of Mask. Select Mask. Then tap on Circle as we are blurring the face. Adjust the length and width. Select the Invert button. And as you can see, the face has been blurred. If your video have some of the movement going on in the face as well, you have to add the keyframe. Select the keyframe option and adjust the blur effect. Then, it will automatically set keyframes for you. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.